Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forex Boat Trading Academy with Victor, and today we will be looking at the dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. And before we get started, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. In regards to the dollar Canadian, I do expect the continuation of the uptrend. First off, what we see is the downtrend trend line, and we see the 50 simple moving average. There was an attempt to break both of them, although there was a spike produced, then another spike, and then another spike. Overall, there was no breakout because these spikes failed to confirm the breakout of the trend line, and the moving average price formed the resistance at 130.86. And there was some consolidation. Finally, there was a break above and then correction to the downside. So I have used this corrective wave. I have applied FIBs to that to see the potential upside resistance level. And price went up quite nicely, and now this is the correction. We see the rejection of 50 simple moving average, we see the rejection of the uptrend trend line, and we see the rejection of the previous level of resistance, which is now becoming the support at 130.86. This could be something that buyers will consider for the entry. Although I think price will consolidate for the time being, there will be some consolidation, maybe even spike below this low produced at 130.82, but only daily break and close can invalidate this bullish scenario that I do expect. So we might see this consolidation for the time being. I think the best opportunity will be presented on Monday. Friday is not always the best time to enter the trade. So just waiting till Monday and looking what will be happening. And if there is no break below this low at 130.82, it should be the uptrend continuation. Now, in regards to the upside resistance, as I said, I have applied FIBs here, and we have 261.8 FIBs at 131.74. This level cleanly corresponds to 61.8 FIBs applied to the last wave to the upside prior to the downtrend. Therefore, 2 FIBs corresponds to one level, making it the nearest resistance that should be tested within, I think, 3 to 4 trading days. Till then, well, we have consolidation expected for the next 2 days. I guess the lower price gets, the better could be the opportunity for buyers. And I do think there will be spike lower and then closing price above. We need to see 4 and daily closing, make sure it's above. So far it does look pretty bullish, but as I said, consolidation can be expected. Also, guys, we had 2 other analysis on the Canadian dollar, which is Canadian Japanese yen and New Zealand Canadian dollar. They both emphasize the weakness of the Canadian dollar. And now let's have a look at them. New Zealand Canadian dollar, what we see is the average price uptrend trend line, and if I move to the daily, it still holds. There was no break and close below this level. So what I can expect is closing price above the previous made low, and then on Monday spike even lower, and only then trend will start. This something that can be expected easily. So attempt to break this low, testing the 50 exponential moving average, and then moving to the upside. So maybe retesting this low, producing a double bottom, and then moving up. In regards to the Canadian Japanese yen, we almost tested the support level, but then price corrected up sharply. Now we have this previous level of resistance. Here there was a rejection of the moving average, then failure to close below, and now price is at this resistance, which was the previous support. So this could be another opportunity for sellers, and there could be another wave to the downside. So still same opportunity is valid on the Canadian Japanese yen. As you can see, 3 analysis on different currency pairs, all of which include Canadian dollar, suggest the Canadian dollar weakness. Let's move on to other ideas. Other analysis we had Australian Swiss franc. This idea is risk-free. We basically had a rejection today of the previous level of resistance, so support. I was expecting this move, but correction earlier, but it has occurred today. We can see price moved up, correction. So this might be yet another move to the upside towards this resistance or even higher. The euro Swiss franc, this idea, we are out of this idea basically, but what we can see, rejection of the moving average, and still the upside target I do expect to be tested. So I will keep it on just to follow. We're done with silver. In regards to the gold, we had nearly tested this support. I think there won't be any more move to the downside unless there is a break and close below 1920. So far it does look like consolidation will extend. We need to watch either break above this high or break this low, and only then there will be some clarity on the trend. For now it's a clear consolidation, it's a clear range trading, and it's too risky to trade either to the upside or to the downside. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed the dollar Canadian analysis for today. Before the weekend we had multiple good analysis this week, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smash the like, ask questions, obviously comment. Also reminding you that we're still running discounted price for the premium signals in our premium group, Telegram group, which you can find and join through the link in the description of this video. So that's it for today. I wish you a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday, and of course profitable trading to you. Take care, guys.